Hello everybody and welcome to the weekly market outlook. Welcome everybody. So guys, if you have any questions, as you know and as usually, feel free to live chat and I will answer all your questions. So it will be much easier if you will communicate with me. Okay, you will learn a lot. And if you have any questions, just go ahead, type them in the chat and we will discuss about it. Okay, so those who are watching me on YouTube, feel free to comment and join us as well. Okay, so those who are first time there with us, what we are doing, we are trading based on wave analysis. It's not total basic concept. We did a little bit more upgraded version. It's advanced technique that we're using because classical Elliott wave, it's what doesn't work for me and we have to just modify it. So those who are first time there, it will really help you, or you will easily understand me if you will read the basic concept about the Elliott wave. Then you will know about what we are talking about over there. Okay, but you'll find some patterns that are not in the book or that nobody didn't ever mentioned. Okay, so if you guys want to join our team, our trading academy, send me the private message or just go to the website tradewithmaster.eu. Here is the link from the website. Just go there, fill the form, and I will give you the access to our community. I will give you as well educational videos immediately. So those are the videos which you have to watch. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to understand us on daily webinars where we are discussing about the setups. Okay, and currently what we are doing one big stuff currently inside of the academy. We are taking trades together with all members of the academy. Okay, we are training live with everyone and tracking all the setups. Okay, so for the previous week, traders did a lot of really good job. They gained a lot of experience. Okay, some of them been trading here for a while and they have never get that many experiences as they got previous week. Okay, we've been really active. We took, I think it was around 32 trades. Okay, 32 trades was there previous week. One of them was, let's say we took, let me just write down. We took 32 trades. Okay, previous week, only from Monday to Friday, only in the Forex, and there was only one stop loss. The rest, okay, so let's say 31 was break even or big profit or small profit. Okay, so anyway, the rest of the trades were in a nice profit basically. Okay, and there are some trades that are currently still running. Okay, we still have open trades, so they will continue in the next week. So if you want that kind of stuff and if you want to join us, send me the DM and I will send you more details. Okay, so we will start with the Forex, but first let me mention those who are there since really long, they will know what I'm talking about. I think 2 webinars ago, I think 6 from 13 of March, we have a nice webinar where I was giving you advice where you should invest or what should you buy in the crypto market. Okay, and if you did, then you're probably now in nice profit. And if you watch again the weekly market outlook from 6 to 13 March, okay, you will see what we were talking about. Okay, so we were discussing about those setups there at the bottom, okay, where you can see the list, what you should buy and how to buy and so on. And if you did so, you are now in the profit. Okay, so congratulations for all of them who are watching the webinar, who've been there and who take the action basically. Okay, they are now filling up their profits with I mean they are filling now their accounts. So let's go. I don't want to extend that webinar to be too long. Would love to make it as short as possible. So let's go let's discuss now about the setups, what we are currently anticipating for the upcoming week. 𝐷XY, it's really interesting right now, okay? And I don't think this is all what we will have over there, okay? I don't think this is all of the structure. So that will probably go something like this. We will probably have more complicated structure than we thought. Then it will go for one more low and something like this will appear before the next wave to the upside will appear on the 𝐷XY. Does this mean we should take a buy? Yes. Anyway, we have to take a buy. We need to find the proper buy setup over there inside of that structure. Currently there is nothing, okay? Nothing is right there. There was some running flat, and now in the upcoming week, if you find a nice flag, you can take a buy back at the previous top. Here you have to be especially careful around the previous top, because the price can reverse going back at the previous low, and then it will continue its way to the upside. It will still be for the upside, so be careful. And of course you have to take the opportunity for buy, okay? We'll never know, it could break out as well, okay? If this move will become really volatile, really strong, then yeah, you will have to hold it, okay? You will not exit it, of course. If something is strong, you should not getting out, especially if you're having a good entry point, what is really important in trading, okay? Oh, sorry for this misclick. Yeah, that's the that's the shortcut that I have on my keyboard, and it always switching my tabs, so we'll have to fix it. So USD-CAD, what we're having over there, USD-CAD is still pushing lower, keep giving us sell setups, okay? On Friday there was as well the sell stop. We didn't decide to took the USD-CAD, okay? So we took the pound-CAD. Pound-CAD was a nice chart that we took, okay? We took that together with our traders, and this is our sell which we are in currently, okay? And it's still open. We've been there in few times, and this one now is really nicely going. So we will see, we'll track it during the week how far this can go, and I will of course show you where is the target, and if there will be any chances you can still add. But anyway, USD-CAD was not the good chart which we choose, okay? We didn't choose that one. But what USD-CAD will do in nearly future, I think there are two possibilities, okay? So this can go back at that low, okay? That's gonna be the one big structure, down and then going up and then going down, okay? So that's one possibility. Another one is that this will go down, will go up, it will give us a little bit big structure there, it will still drop, one more drop, then up and then low, okay? So this thing can get a little bit more complicated. Or the next, you can just wait for the flag and sell back at the previous low, okay? And I don't think that this is gonna go back at this top, at least not for now. But anyway, you will wait for this kind of flag there, at least on the 1 hour, and then you'll go for the trade back at the previous low. This will be your first target. We are really close already, right? Yeah, we are really close to the target, so avoid selling there on small stops. Let it break, let it give you a bigger setup, then you will take a trade, okay? So something like this will be really nice over there before you will be selling. Otherwise, if you don't get anything, don't chase the market, okay? It's not good if you want to chase it from the previous low. Trade could easily reverse and it will stop you out. USD-CHF, what USD-CHF is currently doing, it's getting a little bit more complicated as well. So that's what structure does usually, okay? So this looks like there it will be something like a running flat, and then more downside will appear over there, okay? Can this continue the way to the upside as well? Possible, okay? But if this gives us the flag over there, we will definitely watch for some opportunity to take a bite, and we'll see how far it goes. If it will not move, we will cut it and go for the sell, okay? It's gonna be the easy trade for the upcoming week. Here's the Mexican. I don't see anything special over there. We are just about to tag this low, okay? So follow all sell setups down there, okay? Follow it. This is the big structure, huge structure. We just keep pushing lower, okay? That's the structure which is trying to push lower, and tagging the previous low is really possible and really fast could be reached. Use this South African rand, breaking lower, okay? Sell stops here, keep selling, okay? Just go for, oops, sorry, what was that? just keep selling it. Okay, how far we can go as well, tagging the previous low. Okay, so nice stops. I think we can go really fast. Something like this could appear over there back at that low. 𝐒𝐔/USD went higher. First we thought that this is all of the correction from there and this will break lower, but it didn't plays out for the sell. As you can see, the structure has changed. We've been selling it from the place over there. We've been selling this way to the downside, then we decided, okay, that's not all of the all and correction, it's about to change, and we missed something and then we start buying. Okay, so how far it goes, nobody knows, but we need a bigger correction now. Okay, before any continuation to the upside, we need a bigger structure over there before this top over there will be reached. So upcoming week, what you should do, wait for the correction, any kind of the correction, flat flag, whatever, triangle, you need a confirmation. Okay, it doesn't matter which and how the correction looks like, you just have to identify the correction and then definitely take a buy opportunity. Okay, so we've been a couple of times there in this buy, we took some small profits in 𝐒𝐔/USD. Okay, but now you can anticipate that that's gonna go for the bigger correction before any continuation to the upside. So be aware next week. Okay, you can go for the sell if you catch the sell stop. 𝐒𝐔/CHIF still struggling. Okay, all the Aussie pairs are the same. Wait for the correction. Okay, so I will really love to see something like this and then more upside, or at least the pullback, at least 1 hour pullback, deep pullback. It's what I will be anticipating. Okay, so something like this is what I would love to see before next wave to the upside. Okay, so don't chase it right now. Okay, don't chase it from the current price. 𝐻/New Zealand, I think this is all the correction, and we will be keep pushing higher. Okay, really a lot of chances are there that we will be going out this week. Okay, out of the structure, and this to be all of the structure that we had, or let's say the confirmation, and this move to keep on pushing. Okay, and tagging that higher over there as well. 1 hour, what we are having, do we have any buy stop? Okay, there was a couple of buy setups if you watch them closely. Okay, so this could just struggle there, and of course it will just start pushing higher. Can it break down as well? Yes. Okay, but no signs for any sell, no panic. If there will be the sell, then you want to see the strong break to downside, correction, and then going back at the low. Okay, this is what you want to see: break, correct, and then they will go. So similar behavior over there: drop, correct, and then they will go, in case if sell will appear. Otherwise, this it will be just keep pushing higher. 𝐒𝐔𝐂𝐑𝐄, I don't think this is all of the correction, and we will be keep pushing higher. Okay, so I think this is just the second wave of the correction, bigger correction, and we have to go break this low before more upside will appear. So if you watch the daily, okay, and as well the daily looks like we are in some big structure for the upside. So for this move, this whole move, we need the correction out there in the middle, which is already in the making, but we are missing one move. Okay, one leg, it's missed over there. Okay, so probably if you find the sell stops, go sell it back at the previous low, even break it. That's gonna give us a nice flag, and then more upside. Of course you will be buying. Okay, you will be buying over there. Buy is gonna give you a nice opportunity, but sell is the bonus. Okay, the bonus, if you know how to catch it, where to get in, and how to get in, the most important. And of course you have to exit on time if it is not moving properly or with the plan, let's say like that. New Zealand Chief, it's trying to push higher. Okay, so don't buy just the breakout. Okay, buying the breakout, it's not a good idea. So this correction now could extend or even break out of the structure. Okay, so now this is the problem. Okay, just to rely on one flag and one impulse, it's not enough. You have to understand the higher time frame structure. Okay, so this could easily start breaking, going up, bigger correction before next continuation of the upside. And with this sell, you could easily be stuck, let's say. Okay, we'll think that this is gonna go to the downside, but it will not. Okay, so what to do upcoming week? Carefully watch how that develops over there. Okay, so will this be more sell over there, one more leg maybe lower, that is well possible, breaking out, struggle there, and then one more push to the top, break the top, and then reversing. Okay, so be careful, but what I do prefer you is, if this corrects over there, then definitely you can buy it, breaking the top and then sell it. Okay, that's what I recommend you, so keep an eye on it. If it breaks slower, never mind, wait for another setup. You will not be able to catch it over there, so you will have to let it drop, let it correct over there, and then you will be able to catch that sell. Okay, so don't chase it from the price where it is right now, because you can be easily stuck. So only buy for you. New Zealand USD at the top, we will go lower probably. So another question is this correction over? Okay, this to be all of the correction. We are going for this movement, yes, possible. Okay, upcoming week we can really see this extension to the upside over there. Okay, this extension over there going lower, and then of course this push to the upside back to the trend line. So what this will do, it will just give us the big formation over there. Okay, so big formation, and then it's gonna go probably for one more leg lower, and we are now trading this part of the structure. Okay, so less push to the upside. Can it start breaking lower? Yes, as well, but there is no sell setup currently from this spot, so you cannot sell. Okay, if you don't have a sell setup, then don't even think about selling it. Okay, so that's not making sense, because selling too early could be really dangerous. You don't have that big stop loss, so you'll be able to hold it, okay, or to place stop loss over there. Okay, that's not making sense, and that's not profitable as well. Okay, so having a big stop losses, it's not profitable. You have to be smart. New Zealand CAD, yes, this one can go as well lower. If you watch the 4-hour structure, look at it where we are reacting there at the top. So every sell setup that you will find over there, you have to take it. Okay, and our traders, be as well careful about that sell. This sell could be fast, something like this. Okay, so we will keep an eye on it. We will have to be careful around the previous bottom, previous low, because this could just go break it, give us the flag for buy, and then upside will start. Okay, so and if you will not be cautious about this low over there, then you can get yourself in trouble. So watch it if you catch this sell, but of course, yeah, you have to go for it. Okay, you have to go for it. It could be a nice move over there. Your USD will get complicated more, but bigger correction is in the making over there. Okay, so flat to appear, then go down, tag the trend line, okay, somewhere there, and then this will probably start its way to the upside. Okay, so let it do whatever it wants to do, let it complete. You are not capable of trading there in these complicated moves. Can this as well correct, go down? Yes. Okay, that could go straight down, not breaking the low, and then continuation to the upside. This is possible. Can I take the sell? Of course. Okay, you can go for this sell, let it do whatever it wants to do, let it correct, and then take a sell. Okay, if it is not moving, put it on break even and see how it develops. EuroCAD, that one went down as well. We didn't go for EuroCAD, we prefer to go for PoundCAD. Okay, PoundCAD was the better opportunity for us. So well, the better looking setup was on the PoundCAD, so that's why we decided to go for the PoundCAD instead of any other CADs. Okay, we ignored USD CAD, we ignored Euro CAD, and then we just choose the PoundCAD, and I think it's still doing nice. Okay, the rest, if any one of you catch the other CADs, really good. Okay, just put them on break even. On your CAD, you have to be a little bit careful how far this can go. Okay, so this could just drop, pull back, and then go lower. Okay, so these two appear to make one running flat over there, then drop, and then will go higher. Okay, so be careful, just taking your profits on time, don't hold it too long. Okay, it's not worth of it. You're not selling from the top, so you're not selling for the top, so it's not making sense if you were selling over there to hold it. Anytime soon you will be stopped out with the break even, so it's not making sense to hold it for a while. Okay, just get out with profit. Don't let the market turn you and not turn to turn and take you out with the break even trade. Okay, your Aussie slowly pushing lower, giving you a small setups over there. Okay, so if you were selling those flags, you cannot have any drawdown or losing trade or whatever. Only the break even was the outcome of this trade or the profit. Okay, nothing else. Depends on your strategy. Okay, so there was another flag. If you sell it, be careful. We are close to the previous low. That should go. Okay, at least put it on break even. Okay, move your trade on the break even and see how it plays out. Here in New Zealand, same there. It's correcting over there. Okay, and that one should just go. Okay, so in the future, what this could do, I see that there will be the bigger correction. Okay, this one correct, going lower, tag the low, going higher, give you the flat, and then continuation to downside. This all will be one big huge structure on daily. Okay, this will be the daily movement over there, what I'm showing you currently, and then we will go and tag the previous low. Okay, this is what we will have, or what we can expect. I think this is all of the bigger corrections, so we will not get that big structure anymore. Okay, something like this. Okay, something like this is possible over there, and then continuation downside to tag the previous low, of course. So keep an eye for your sell stops. Go for the sell. If it is not going, then yeah, break even trade. Okay, don't let the trade turn against you. Your chief. Let's see what this one is trying to do. This could get a little bit more complicated than you thought. Okay, so this could be one more wave back at the top to make a bigger structure over there before next wave to downside. Or simply this could be just the running flat on lower time frame, breaking lower, tagging this low, going back this high, and then drop. Okay, those are the two possible options. So which one will plays out? Watch the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, what is currently doing. Yeah, this could just go higher. I'm much more for the upside over there. Okay, so this could just start to developing or giving you the buy. This is the buy stop over there, currently on the lower time frame, and this could go back at the previous stop over there. So keep an eye there. Let's see how it plays out. Go for the trade. If it's not going, then put it on break even. Okay, put it on break even and just watch it. Watch your account grow if you are in the right side of the market. If your direction was correct, if you analyze it correctly, then you will be paid for that. Your GBP downside definitely. Okay, that's the setup that I've been mentioning a few times. Okay, this is the running flat as it looks like. Okay, and we are going back at the previous low, at least breaking the previous low. And currently what we are having over there is we are having the correction. Okay, we're having the correction and it will go lower, so keep an eye there for the strong break to the downside and just join the trade. Okay, strong break to the downside, take the trade and ride it. Okay, it's a nice move basically, at least back to the previous low. It's almost, let's say, 120 pip. Okay, I think this is a nice movement. 120 pip, it's a nice movement to catch. So watch that 1 hour how it develops. If there will be any strong moves over there, take it. Just take it, go for it. If it is not, get out. Okay, simple as it is. If you don't know how to do that properly, and if you don't know what, how, when, then you should join us. Okay, you should join us and we will teach you every single step. You will be trading with us. We will guide you where to do what and how to do. Of course, this is the most important stuff. And If you listen to us, then I can guarantee that you will improve your knowledge and become profitable. That just depends on you. How serious are you about trading? Okay, nobody cannot do that for you. You have to become serious. You have to invest every minute of your free time to be in front of the chart, to watch it, to analyze it, and to train it. Okay? Now ask yourself, are you ready to take trading seriously or just passively? If you will take it passively, then of course you will be paid passively. And if you will be there every minute, if you will be actively trading, then the profit will follow. It's just easy stuff. Do I analyze CFDs? Depends which one. Write them in the comment, and yeah, we can have a look on some of them for you. Okay, you're probably zloty. That one's already pushing lower. So what you should do? Okay, follow the sell. Okay, follow that sell all the way back to this low where we are currently. Let me show you the higher time frame picture. We are let me weekly. It's what you need to see. Okay, so weekly. Look at that one. You have finished the movement already. You see, we break the top, and we are going back at this low at least, or next stop it's this low. And where we are currently at the top, what we are doing, it's showing us a nice sell stop over there. Can I go for it? Yes, definitely. Watch the flag and join it. Okay, join the sell to the downside. Let it correct over there, let it correct over there, wherever it will correct. Find the entry, watch it closely, and go for the trade. Okay, it's really good profit. You're knocking. It's gone already. Okay, so there was a couple of sell stops over there on this way to the downside. Now you don't have anything. If this pulls back, giving you some flat, then yes, let's push the downside. You will get in somewhere there. I don't know where exactly, because the chart will tell you when it's ready and where you can enter it, and then you will be taking profit at the trend line. Okay, back at the trend line. So there's not much to go. Okay, not much to go. Probably it will go there, tagging the trend line, going for the correction, and then more downside will appear. Okay, so anytime soon you'll see the correction. So any profit, any sell, yeah, you can go for the sell. Okay, don't be afraid. Just go for the sell. Once you'll see this flat, go for the sell and see how far it goes. The worst case scenario is break-even trade. You have to be capable of taking the break-even trades. Pound yen, I think this one can continuously pushing higher. It's kind of strong, and it could still push higher. Okay, this one could still push higher. So let's see what it's trying to do. If this will give you any flag, you can try to buy it. Okay, you can try to buy it and watch. Once it breaks the high, it should just go. CAD yen, don't chase it. Okay, this could just go for one more low and then it will go higher. Where we are structurally, we are quite high. Okay, so we are quite high, and anytime soon we'll have a correction, deeper correction before next way to the upside. So there's not much left on the yen pairs. Okay, maybe one more push to the upside on the yen pairs and you should start buying it. Okay, we took a couple of buys. They didn't last longer because we get in and we get out, we get in and we get out. Okay, we know that we are at the top, and as you can see over there, we are having a nice reaction, and this could just start going for deeper correction, or it could totally reverse the downside. Which one? We have no idea, but we will see. Definitely, if there will be a nice sell, we all will be in the sell, so we are not afraid to go for it. Okay, we are just waiting for the chart to let us know it's ready, so we can get in on time. Okay, so your yen went up, break the previous top. Okay, that's perfect. So what it can do now is correcting. It could just go for some running flat and then one more push to the upside. It's possible as well over there. Can it break down? I don't think so. I don't think this is all, and I really think there is the running flat, one more up, and then downside will appear. So just small moves on all the yen pairs are possible. Same there. This correcting, showing some deeper correction, and as well one more up before dropping. Chief yen, if you're not skilled, don't chase the buy. Okay, not even the sell. Sell is not ready yet. There is a sell going lower, giving you the flat, something like that, going higher, and then start its way to the downside. Or it could just start selling, but don't sell it if you're not skilled. Let it drop, then wait for the correction, then take a sell. Okay, you should not be jumping in too early because you can get yourself in trouble. USDN was really interesting. We took a couple of buys over there. There was a couple of buy stops. We took them. We took a profit. What we are waiting now, we need a deeper correction as well over there. Deeper correction. Can I go for the sell? No, not yet. Not yet. This is trying to give us some flat over there. We'll take the top, going lower, take the bottom, one more up and then down. Okay, so mostly all yen pairs are showing us kind of similar movement. Okay, kind of similar behavior. So keep an eye there. Pound USD. Struggling over there. I don't think this is all and it's breaking lower. Let's see for our possible maybe one more low, going up and then low. Okay, so be aware if you go for this sell over there that's trying to appear. Be careful, not staying in too long if it is not dropping. Okay, if this move is not strong, then get out. It's easy, don't hold it. But I don't think this will appear. Okay, so I think this is the low. This is the now 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 down, something like this. This will go high, break the top, and then it will drop down. Okay, this is what I see personally, so don't be too fast on this one. Pound chief is kind of interesting one because you have to wait for the confirmation. I think this is the correction in the middle and we are going for one more wave to the upside before we will have a sell. Okay, so this is the huge structure which I see. Okay, I think this is the expanded flat there in the middle. In the middle of this daily correction, it's the expanded flat, sorry. Okay, this one. One more up will give you the bigger structure and then drop. Pound chief always pulls back that deep before they drop. Okay, so if you watch the whole structure, what they did, okay, they drop, they pull back. They drop, they pull back. Okay, they always pull back that deep before they drop. Okay, then they drop, make a new low, then they go up, and then they drop, then they go for the deeper correction. So what they can do now, go for the deeper correction and then they drop. Okay, so be aware of it. I don't think this is the downside. Okay, I don't think this is the correction and we are going downside. This move it's not that aggressive as I thought. So but anyway, if this goes for any kind of a flat over there, if it will gives me the flat at least on 1 hour, then yes, I will go for the sell. This going lower, this going up, giving me the flat, then yes, we all should be selling it because we are going to break this low and continuously pushing lower, and there will be a nice setup. Okay, those setups that I'm showing with you guys, they can appear during the week. Okay, during the week they don't need to appear tomorrow, but during the week you can watch it and see how it develops. Okay, that's why you have the recordings. Okay, recording is always there. I always keep the recording there on TradingView under my profile. You will find the previous recordings as well. And yeah, you should watch them during the week. Rewatch them, watch them, draw those structures, watch how they develop. You'll definitely learn something. Okay, and then if you have questions, attend the next free live webinar and ask questions. Okay, if you want more, if you want to speed up that process, then you should join us. Okay, then you should join us. Pound Aussie, keep pushing lower. I will be selling it as well. Okay, this is pushing lower. Where we are structure, look at that one, how big structure this is. And what we are aiming this much. Okay, 1,600 pips are in front of us and you should not miss them. Okay, they move quickly, they are so quick and you have to grab every opportunity. Okay, there was a couple of sell stops on the way to the downside as well, confirmation, and this will just going. Okay, so I think this is all the correction of the higher time frame, let's say 4 hour, and we will be just keep going and then sometime in the future as well. One more 4-hour correction, then keep pushing lower, but definitely watch this correction and follow it. I think it's a nice potential there on pound CAD. Pound New Zealand, this one is good as well. Look at that one where we are, it's a nice structure. And going back to the previous low, it's really possible, and as well there's a nice profit. Okay, nice profits over there, 2000 pips. Okay, those moves will grow your account definitely. Okay, definitely. My traders will keep an eye there for that trade, of course, in the upcoming week. We should not miss it. Okay, currently we are having some running flat which is in the making over there. Look at that one, running flat. And if you know how to trade it, let's go for it. Okay, if you don't know, then let it drop, let it correct, give you some correction over there, and then take a trade to the downside. That's gonna be easy for you. Pound CAD, we are already in. So the others, what you can do, if you find any flag, you can join us. Okay, we may as well add a couple of trades over there on the way to the downside. How far it can go? This one can go pretty much. So let's see. We are breaking. We can break something like this, and this could still be the structure in the middle, going back at the top, and then going down, and then going up. So we can spend some sideways there. Okay, so pound CAD can go for the sideways market for the next couple of years. Yeah, you heard me correct, a couple of years. We will be trading up and down in this zone over there. Okay, but this is enough good moves to make money. Okay, you will be catching a nice money. Okay, so what you should do, correction and join it. 𝐒𝐔𝐑𝐄, going back at the top, we knew it, there was a nice correction, there was as well a nice correction, pushing higher. Any flag you can buy or set up, whatever. It doesn't need to be flag, it could be flat as well. Okay, or expanded flat, uncluded, whatever. You can just go for this movement. If it drops, we will watch it to sell. Okay, if it drops down aggressively, we'll watch it to sell. But I don't think this is all of the structure and we are going to the upside totally. No, I see this as one structure and then going lower, breaking all those lows. Okay, and then these to become one big structure, and then we'll finally push to the upside. So rather skip that buy and wait for the sell. Okay, that gonna be ready probably in the next 10 days, if this is so, or maybe even by the end of the next week. That move should be in the play or should show some signs of the sell, so keep an eye on it. Chief Nokian, nothing special, it's just going, so skip that one. Gold, if you buy, that's it. What you can do, nothing yet. Okay, no more buying. Okay, so there was the buy. If you took a buy opportunity, really move your stop loss in profit. Okay, I think that the gold will go deeper. Okay, I think this can go lower. Okay, it can drop lower. Or what else it could appear? This one more high and then drop. Okay, so two options. So these to go up, break the top, and then the sell will appear over there. So how far this sell can go? We take the previous top, we can go back down to the previous low. This to be a flat over there on the daily and then going higher. So gold could go in the sideways again. Nothing bad, we can take opportunity over there, take some trades. Let's see how that develops and then take the opportunity. Same there with the silver, same behavior, going down. What else it could do? It could just go for the deeper correction, something like this, and then it can go up. A little bit different, okay? A little bit different. The silver has opportunity to go higher, but gold has less opportunity to go higher. So sell the silver. I mean, sell the gold. Rather watch for selling the silver and selling the gold, sorry, and buying the silver. Sugar, going higher, back at this top is where you have to be cautious about. Watch for flag, buy it. Can be as well the running flat, yes, running flat and more upside, and continuation, of course, more upside. How far? Back at this high. Okay, This is gonna be a huge structure over there. Sugar being a nice daily, and then one more wave to downside. Can I go for the buy? Definitely. You can go for the buy, take a buy and see how it plays out. Okay, if it stops by the previous top, take off your profit, go for the sell, let this to develop and then go for the buy. It's simple, okay? You should not complicate it. Oil, more upside definitely, as you can see over there. I think this is the running flat over there. A running flat, this should correct over there, giving you something like this and then let it go. Okay, can it go lower? Possible, but not yet. I don't see it right now. Okay, it could as well go lower, but I don't see it right now. There is no sell setup. Okay, I don't see any sell setup currently on this time frame. No sell setup, and I'm much more for the upside, tagging this high. Okay, so oil go back at the top. UK oil the same. I have nothing else to say. Back at the previous top. This will be my target. Okay. So everyone, watch for your buy stops on UK oil, natural gas. This one will drop lower anytime soon, drop and then going higher. Okay, so this is what we'll have over there. So keep an eye, watch for this deeper correction and then continuation to the upside. Can you take a buy? Yes. If you want to go for the buy, wait for any flag, any flat, buy it. Okay, buy this flat, going up, take off your profit and then watch for the deeper correction and then you'll bought. Okay, no rush. Nasdaq 100. Let's see where we are structurally. Let me take off this one. Stay away currently. Okay, I don't see anything right there. Take this one off as well. You can be buying it. Okay, so if this gives you any running flat, buy it. We are going back at the previous top as it looks like. Okay, or this to be one big huge running flat, but sell stop, it's not ready yet. Okay, so this move can appear over there, but sell, it's not ready yet. We can easily go back at the previous top, so be cautious. Watch for your setup. Okay, there is no any sell, not even the buy stop, so let it do whatever it wants to do. If it pulls back, then you can go for the buy. Okay, you can go for the buy. US 30, same there, nothing different. Okay, these to be one running flat and then going lower. UK 100. UK 100 is about to take the top. Okay, this one will go back at the top. Let it go, giving you any flat, then take a buy. Same there. That's gonna be probably a little bit lower and then it will go higher. Only this is to go higher, yeah. I see them going higher. Okay, so indices to go higher. Here we are, we completed the Forex indices. Okay, so now let's take a look on some crypto pairs. Okay, so guys, how many of you did bought since previous webinar or 2 webinars ago when I mentioned for long term or spot traders that they should buy TLM, APIC, ATP, LTH, MTA, RIC, BLOK, XRD, feel. Okay, how many of you have bought it? Okay, let's see. I see there's not a lot of people currently on. Okay, maybe it's too late. Maybe the rest of guys are sleeping. Oh, Steve, hello. How is your silver? I don't know. Let's see. Didn't you saw it? We've been discussing already, but it can go lower, so be careful. It can go for one more leg lower and then higher. Okay, or this could be just more upside. Okay, if this is all of the running flat, this could be the flag and more upside. Just watch it upcoming gig how this develops. Hello Maiden. Bitcoin please. Bitcoin is there and nothing has changed. Probably you already know what I will say about the Bitcoin. I'm always repeating this same structure. Same structure is what I'm repeating over there for the Bitcoin. Nothing different. Okay, so this could go down, tag this one, then going higher, giving you the bigger structure, going lower, tagging this low, and then it will go higher. Or what else it could do? Going higher, drop lower, going higher, drop lower, and then going lower. Okay, so it could get really complicated. Depends how that develops over there now. Okay, this is really important picture. You just have to understand it correctly before next break to the upside. But definitely Bitcoin will go nearly in the future to the upside. Okay, there is no question. But now the question is when it will take the bottom, so you can buy more before the next push to the upside. Okay, we will see. Probably in June, July, somewhere there, the price will be ready for buying. It will reach the 27k or 30k, so you will get the opportunity to buy some. Okay, so Steve it's saying for the silver, he feels that it's going the same direction as wheat, oil, etc. But home prices I think will go down. How have you been now? Stream at time when I was sleeping. I've been really good. We've been missing you. We've been missing you. You wasn't there since really long. So hope you have a nice investment running on silver. Okay, so when you've been there, we've been discussing over there once, and if I do remember correctly, you've been buying the silver physically, right? Perfect. About the home prices, I have no idea, and I think the home prices will go as well down. They should go down. Okay, something cannot just rise all the time. Okay, it cannot just rise all the time. Silver is a nice silver. Bitcoin is the nice example. Okay, so this thing cannot just rise. Okay, so I have this side. He's saying that he's trying to hold the silver and gold as well as my crypto until I decide to buy something else like another home. Yeah, really good. Okay, so if you're there for the long-term investment, yes, silver is good. Okay, but gold it's not good. Okay, so gold will go lower, but if you're there for long term, you should not be worried. Okay, so gold will go for the flat or there before the next wave to the upside. Okay, so there's no any problem if you are trying to hold or if you hold it. Okay, so that much is what will be the drawdown, and then it will continue its way to the upside. So be prepared. I don't think it could go from there to the upside, at least not gold. Okay, gold has almost finished the top, you see, and it could just go for the correction. So interest rates to buy a home is going up fast now, and I think people will not be able to afford the interest payments to buy a home in the near future. Yes, that's true. That's true. So prices should go down. I'm as well waiting to those prices to go lower. So then we all will be able to, or then we all will have the opportunity to buy some houses. Definitely the prices for the home or for the rents now are too high, and it's not making sense to buy them. But we'll see, of course. Chart will does. Do we have any chart for home prices? For, let's say, for the home prices, home prices chart. Do we have anything there on TradingView or? PLT, what is this one? So one guy is asking for PLTR. I don't have that one. Let me add it. PLTR. Is this a stock? Yeah, probably. Okay, so PLTR, what is doing? It's showing more downside as it looks like. Okay, so this could just go lower. One more to break the low, and then it will continue its way to the upside, something like this, and then going higher. That's what I see. Okay, so I really hope, guys, that you've bought there. Okay, so we've been discussing 2 weeks ago to bought some of them. Okay, so if you have spare money, you should be buying some of them. Okay, somewhere there we've been discussing to buy. There was one ATP as well. Oh, sorry, somewhere there we have a nice calls. Okay, so there was the price when we've been discussing about to invest some money for the long term, and at least those who are spot traders. Okay, they should put some money as well. They are still in the good spot. Okay, so you can still buy. That one, 𝐒𝐔𝐑𝐄, is a good one as well. They can rise as well. Okay, XRD. If they start to struggle there, then you should exit the positions and buy back them once they break the low. Then you will be buying again. Okay, that one's doing nicely. Feel this one's doing nicely. We are in a nice spot for buying over there. So watch it, guys. Watch it. Prices are crazy in the US for homes now, but it's large companies buying them up, paying or asking prices. I think they realize people will not be able to buy a home, so they will have to pay rent on them going forward. Yes, but the rents will as well be higher, and people will not pay that higher amount of the rent. So anytime in the future that should go down, Steve. Anytime soon. Prices should not stay that high. QRDO USDT, it's what we have a question about. Let's have a look. Going down. Okay, be careful this to go down, tag the low, then going higher, tagging the high, then going lower, break the low, and then finally it will rise. So keep an eye there, watch that. It will just probably stay in this range. Yeah, well, you can go for the buy, definitely. Once it breaks the low, you can buy back at this low, take profit, and then buy back. Once break all of the lows, then you are buying back. Okay, so you know what the price is trying to do. You can buy this if you have skill level, enough skill level, of course. Okay, so nothing to lose, especially if you are the spot trader. Okay, so spot traders just need to buy on time. Okay, they don't need to buy exactly on time. Okay, there is the 10 plus minus days. So thank you very much. You are welcome. It's always a great stream. I think it's always great. Depends who's listening. I'm doing all my best. May I ask you what you're buying now, or you're sitting on the sideline? It depends what you're asking about. If I'm buying, did you mean investments or trading, or what did you mean crypto? I'm buying a lot of stuff. Cryptos is what I did. Crypto is what I did for the long-term investment. Okay, those are the charts that I took. Okay, those are the charts that I took. There was some investment, long-term investment that are currently running. Okay, that's what I did. If you find the opportunity, you still have a chance to join it. Okay, they are on good spot. But stocks, it's not what I'm interested at all. Okay, crypto it's before the stocks. And of course, I do day trading with the Forex. That's my number one income, let's say, priority income. Investment stocks, 𝐵STG, I don't know. I'm not interested in those stocks. Really, I really feel better about investing in crypto. Much better. Okay, so guys, any questions? There wasn't a lot of people over there in these times, so maybe it's late for the rest of the people. Okay, it's late for the rest of the people. Tomorrow is the working day. We also moved the hour forward. Maybe that they feel tired. That's true as well. Okay, but they will watch in their free time. So we will end the webinar over there, guys. So if you want to join us, you know what to do. If not, then share the stream with others, give us some like, and it's early here, 1:30 p.m. in the USA. Yeah, you're happy, man. You're happy. Maybe for USA it's too early. That's the lunchtime. Okay, so take care, enjoy your week, and may the profit be with you. Enjoy and see you next Sunday. Take care, bye bye.